Okay, I think you've seen it, but this is my new car, the 2025 Ford Expedition. I love it. I love the color. It drives nice, so it's all washed and ready to go. I just have to get packed up, and Eva and I are going to hit the road. Right. Eva and I are in the Expedition, and we're headed on the road. We're going to head to Colonial Beach, Virginia for a beach vacation.
Yep, we're excited.
I am super excited, so I can't wait. Okay, we stopped to use the restroom. It's a beautiful day, no rain, that's a good thing. This car is very comfortable.
It is really nice.
Easy to drive. It has
Good
the
road trip
hands-free. Yeah, and look, we are loaded up. You would swear we're hauling a family.
Overpacker. It's just us two.
It's our vacation. Yeah, I'm excited. It's been a great day so far for traveling, and I realized I'm a people watcher. I could sit at this rest stop and watch people all day long. Like, what is their story, and like, wonder where they're going, wonder where they came from. It's very interesting. But yeah, this Expedition drives great. Really like it. It's comfortable.
Yeah,
has
nice.
the hands-free, and yeah, this is a fun. We're gonna make these collaboration videos. Like, I'm working for Eva in her video, and she's working for me in my video.
Hopefully we both get our video out. You might
Exactly. Yeah. Well, let's challenge each other. So that'll be it. Who can get it right? Yep. Let's try to get them ready and put them out at the same time. You can decide. All right. It was a great drive, and we made it to Colonial Beach. We're so excited for this vacation. Okay, it's a nice sunny day. Here we are on the beach, just going to enjoy our day. Okay, next day I get up, take a walk, look at the beautiful sunrise, a couple swans that just finished their swim, and way out there, a fisherman in a boat enjoying his day. Oh yeah. Okay, we have the duck family, mother duck, father duck, middle of babies, going for a swim. So cute.
Hello, everyone.
Hey, we're taking the golf cart. We're gonna go pick up dinner.
We're gonna go pick up pizza. We've been eating really good.
And can you feel the humidity? I have a hat on because this hair. Woo. But we're having a great time.
Yes, definitely.
Back, I have this pizza seat belted in.
I got the soft pretzel.
Okay, let's go in. It's dinner time. Okay, this is a fun project. I saved my old jewelry for years and went on vacation. My sister-in-law Sue gave me the idea. We made art out of it. Eva made this star. I worked on making a heart out of all the old jewelry, a Christmas wreath, and a couple Christmas trees. My sister-in-law Sue helped us do this. It's so great. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you, Sue. I love the idea. And we went to the firemen's parade. Okay, there's a lot of sirens. They're kind of loud, so if you don't enjoy that, turn your volume down or skip ahead. Okay, after that parade, you will now enjoy this beautiful sunrise as I take a walk. It's nice and peaceful. We jumped in the golf cart and drove to Colonial Beach Massage for some great relaxing massages. Look at this beautiful golden. This is Shelby. And another parade. Colonial Beach really welcomed us with all these parades. Wow. Woo! Is she the princess bus driver? After the parade, we jumped in the pool. And then we jumped in the golf cart and drove around Colonial Beach. And check this out. And that evening, we watched the fireworks on the beach. So fun. on the neighborhood ducks. We saw the play Dad's Study here at Colonial Beach Playhouse. It was one of my new favorite places to shop. I found some great things there. Magnolia Hall. For example, we got these dresses at Magnolia Hall. What do you think? Thank you, Colonial Beach. We had a great time. It was fun, relaxing. Really enjoyed every day. Thank you. We had so much fun. Thanks for having us, Sue. And Francis, you're the best little dog. Thank you so much. It was a great vacation. We really enjoyed ourselves, had a lot of fun creating memories. Thank you. And Francis, you're the best. We love you. And just like that, on the road again, heading home. And here we have Hunter's Hardware. Pretty cool. Hey, we made it home. The dogs are super excited to see us. They were so excited. I think they really missed us. Okay, I took the girls and the family shopping. We bought matching dresses for Mother's Day and wore them to church.
Very pretty. I like that.
And you took yours off?
We're all gonna match. Ty, are you gonna wear a pink tie?
I am all ready for church in my matching dress for Mother's Day.
And here we are, looking all beautiful on Mother's Day with the fam, just missing Mike. And just like that, grandson Ty graduates from preschool. And granddaughter Thea turns 4. And grandson Bo learning to ride this little bike and gets a little shaky. Thanks so much for being here. And if you can, click like, click subscribe so you'll catch the next one